Stylish and innovative, the Gasmate Ignite is a revolutionary new compact barbecue. The Gasmate Ignite is perfect for balconies and contemporary outdoor living areas. It features a unique space-saving design. When you have finished cooking, simply fold it up to maximise your space. Mount it to the wall or to the Ignite stand, which is sold separately for the freedom to move it where the action is. It is fast and simple to use with one-touch ignition and a patented, no-mess, quick clean-up fat management feature. It's perfect for a quick midweek dinner or to create a mouth-watering meal for family and friends.